The Irish Medtech Skillnet is a leading learning network within the Skillnet Ireland organisation. We optimise Irish medtech and manufacturing companies by helping them build a robust talent base and eliminate skills gaps in their organisation. The high-quality training we offer is flexible, relevant and sector-led. And our programs are proven to deliver measurable and substantive results for the companies who have participated. Ranging from one-day workshops to two-year master's programs, Irish Medtech Skillnet training is diverse and comprehensive. We encompass research and development, manufacturing and digitalization, quality and regulatory, sustainability, and management and leadership. Many programs are accredited, and all are delivered by industry experts and Ireland's top training and academic institutions. Irish Medtech Skillnet programs achieve exceptional satisfaction scores from employers and learners and are also promoted by IBEC. Our targeted training solutions for industry are subsidised through support from Skillnet Ireland funding, so Irish-based companies of all sizes are eligible for a significant discount on the cost of high-quality training once they register with our network for free. If you are a medtech or manufacturing company who has identified a specific training need or skills gap in your organisation, Irish Medtech Skillnet is ready to support you through one of our established training programs or by developing a bespoke training solution to meet your specific needs. Your people are the most valuable asset in your organisation, and we're here to empower them to achieve their full potential and help you to maximise your bottom line. Contact the Irish Medtech Skillnet team to learn more.